loves, and welcome to another video. You guys, it feels so good to be back. I am right now editing a bunch of content, and I can't tell you how happy my heart feels. I just I I just feel like this is what I'm meant to do, and sometimes I can really doubt myself, but I am just so happy to be here. And yeah, let's jump into it. So this video is the first of the deep cleaning, kind of like whole house reset, little series I'm going to put out. It's about 5 videos, I think. And this is perfect because it'll take us right into the holiday season and get, the fall clean going and decorating. And before we know it, Christmas. Oh my gosh, can you guys believe it? We are at the end of 2025, and I am just so happy to be back. Thank you to those that watched my last video. If you kind of don't know where I've been or just, what I've been through, watch that last one. Like I said, I'm just happy to be back. We're getting a lot done in this video. I already got the next one edited and ready to post, a couple days after this one. So I need to really boost these views and my channel. So hit that like button, subscribe, share this video, just please comment, show me some love. I would really appreciate it. I'm just so excited. I just have so many ideas for videos and this channel, and I have all these videos in my drafts that I've already recorded. A lot of this deep clean series I'm talking about, so I want to post them and then, continue making all this new content. So please enjoy. And yeah, here we did the front yard, and now we're jumping into the backyard, and we will keep going from there. So let's go.
Love me or hate me, God knows you made it. When he let his eyes on me, 여기 네 눈이 날 바라보는 눈빛이 이미 다 말해줘. No, I ain't gonna let anyone keep me down. No, no, you just gotta keep up 'cause I ain't gonna slow down. No, everyone just wanna get to know ya. 이미 시작된 걸. How do you think I'm sweet? I'm sweet, so sweet. You got stung by honeybee. You just wait and see. How do you think I'm sweet? I'm sweet, so sweet. 들이킬 순 없을 거야. 아마도 그럴 거야. Lazy lover undercovers. 너 지금 이 느낌. Eating biscuits, sharing secrets. Now it's just you and me. No, I ain't gonna let anyone keep me down. No, no, you just gotta keep up 'cause I ain't gonna slow down. No, everyone just wanna get to know ya. 이미 시작된 걸. How do you think I'm sweet? I'm sweet, so sweet. You got stung by honeybee. You just wait and see. How do you think I'm sweet? I'm sweet, so sweet. 들이킬 순 없을 거야. 아마도 그럴 거야. How do you think I'm sweet? I'm sweet, so sweet. You got stung by honeybee. You just wait and see. How do you think I'm sweet? I'm sweet, so sweet. 들이킬 순 없을 거야. 아마도 그럴 거야. How do you think I'm sweet? I'm sweet, so sweet. Baby, I'm so sweet.
I'm not gonna lie, I really do enjoy using that weed whacker or whatever it's called. These weeds back here drive us insane. We did spray this like sea salt, like very natural mixture. I don't want to do anything too harsh just because of the dogs and the kids, of course. And it seems to have worked pretty well. So we will continue using it, and hopefully these weeds stop coming back. Oh man, if this was my house, you guys, if you guys don't know, hi, I'm Jessica, and I love all things cleaning, mom life, Jesus, and decluttering, organizing, decorating, just day to day cooking and life, and the good parts, the bad parts, and all in between, just getting through each day. That is who I am and what this channel is about. And yeah, so I'm renting this house with my grandparents, and we live together, my husband, me, my grandparents, and my two beautiful children, and my little brother. Yeah, kind of a weird dynamic there that, live together, but it works for us, and very common for Middle Eastern families to, multiple generations to be living together. So yeah, we're just blessed to be together, and honestly just taking it day by day and hoping that one day my husband and I can be homeowners. We're just gonna give it to Jesus and try our best and make good choices and hopefully we will get there financially. But until then, we are renting this beautiful house, and so of course I love to keep it clean and take care of it, but I am not going to lie, the landscaping situation drives me crazy. If it was my house, I would definitely have a pool back here. I mean, are you kidding me? This is the perfect house to have a pool. That backyard is huge and full of rock, and it is just such a waste. Such a waste. So much could be done back here, but like I said, we're renting and we can't do that. But oh man, my husband and I were just talking about ideas we would do to this house, the kitchen, the stairs, the bathroom, the front yard. Oh, I just can't wait to be a homeowner and get to really make something my own and just enjoy doing it. Oh man, I can't wait for that day, God willing. But until then, I'm very grateful for what we do have. I mean, I have literally come from nothing. And so to be in this beautiful home with my husband, my brother, my grandparents, my children is more than I can ever ask for. Anyways, so as you can see, this side of the house is where we kind of have like this play area, the basketball, the bikes, the scooters. And then, we had a bunch of trash back here. So bulk trash was going to be coming. I love bulk trash. That's when the big trash comes and you get to put out like any big items that don't, obviously fit in your normal weekly trash pickups. And so, yeah, I love me some bulk trash pickups.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, deep down. And it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I am running for you. I am running for you. I am running for you. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. I'll be your light.
As you can see, the garage definitely needed some love. We're putting these weights here to flatten out the rug that was, rolled up for a long time and kind of made it like a workout little area. And here she is, a lot better. Things were kind of all over the place. We got rid of a lot of stuff. And now I'm ready to, decorate for fall and Christmas soon. So yay! But wow, this looks so much better. And I really hope this video encourages you to declutter, to organize. And it doesn't have to be like overnight, you guys. I get it. We're busy. Life is hard. I know you probably look at these cleaning videos and you're like, why can't I just get up and clean like these women do, like these men do? But you guys, you have to understand it takes just baby steps, discipline, one foot in front of the other. And I think a lot of times we don't realize that it's really our mind that's tricking us to think that it's harder than it really is. Sometimes I will put stuff off for so long and procrastinate. That was one of my biggest things, one of the biggest sins that I brought to Jesus that I was so tired of doing. I was like pretty much like self-sabotaging my own life and always, in this like stuckness, this like, I can't move forward. It's like my feet were in cement and I can't go forward, and when I realized that that was me stopping myself from taking that next step, from doing the thing I need to get done, simple baby steps, that's when I broke free out of that procrastination. And I was really able to see that, I was my own worst enemy. And I'm not trying to make you be hard on yourself. I'm just saying, give yourself grace. Notice that, hey, I make things harder. I self-sabotage. I could have done that thing. I could have made that phone call. I could have finished those papers. I could have, put the dishes in the dishwasher. But we make things so much harder and then we beat ourselves up for it. And it's just this cycle. And you got to do something different. You got to break free out of that same cycle that we keep putting ourselves in and get it done. Find things that work for you. I love to deep clean twice a year, which is the series you're going to see. These next 5 videos I did at the beginning of the year. Okay. From like March through maybe June, And this was not normal. Normally I'll get it done a lot more in spring cleaning, but because of, everything I was going through, I didn't. But, like I said, gave myself grace and still got it done. Doesn't have to be a perfect time frame. Doesn't have to be all out crazy cleaning, just one room at a time, one drawer at a time, one closet at a time, and so that I did it section by section. In this video, I focused on the front yard, the backyard, the garage, and the stairs. And honestly, it really wasn't that bad, And then the next video you're going to see, you're going to love that one. I can't wait to post that one. That one is a lot more decluttering and organizing and so much deep cleaning. I'm washing walls, baseboards, pulling the couches over, getting under the couches. I'm going to be decluttering the kids' toys. Like maybe just start with your bedroom, maybe just start with like the hallway closet. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. And my first ever video on YouTube was me like cleaning my laundry room. Like how random. It was so dirty, so messy, and some paint and tossing some old stuff out. It made a world of a difference. Gave it a good scrub, and deep clean and a fresh coat of paint, and my laundry room was like new. That is a old house we used to live in, and you can go watch that first video of mine, but so funny, like, and it was like, and it inspired this whole channel. Like I was like, I couldn't believe it. And so, yeah, just my point is, guys, just get it done. Stop procrastinating, find the time, adjust what you need to adjust, stop making excuses. You can do hard things. I promise you can. Just make a better schedule, sit down with yourself, you know, find windows and times of the day that you can do these things. On the weekend, I love Saturday mornings. I love to clean. Sundays are for the Lord. But Saturdays, honey, we get down in this house. We get to cleaning.
Love's for beginners, ain't no winners. It slips through your fingers. I ain't telling no lies. So F all the drama, F the karma. Just do what you wanna. Promise you got time. Be you and keep looking forward. Don't you look backwards and you'll be fine. Come through and say what you need to. Don't let them put you down. Baby, let me tell you what it feels like. Being independent, no trouble inside. It's like magic, living like a pet. 'Cause baby, you deserve the best in life. Let me tell you what it feels like. Being no mama, yeah, treat yourself right. It's like magic, living like a pet. 'Cause baby, you deserve the best in life. Come get your future. Know you wanna, she'll never betray ya. She ain't telling no lies. So break the glass ceiling, find your meaning, make truth out of dreaming. Yeah. Baby, let me tell you what
All right, loves, that is the end of part 1, the deep cleaning series. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, like, comment, share with a friend, come back for more. I cannot wait. Bye, loves, and I will see you next time.